Hello, my name is Priyanshi Dikshit, roll number 20CS 147, and this is my fourth assignment for the DIY project. After opening the sample project for the motor example, this is the schematic capture containing Arduino 328, some of the push buttons, which contains a brake key, a motor shield in which we are only concerned with channel A, and a terminal. Channel A, as you can see, has output 1 and 2 connected to pin 2, 3, EA connected to node 11, and input 1, 2. Input 1, input 2 and E and A are connected to I4, which is connected to I6. I and 2 is connected to a logical gate, which is further connected with a brake in IO8. Source code, I have written a code of my own in which I have initialized PWM with 200 value. In the setup, the pin 12 is connected to IN1, and the motor rotation is being set up clockwise by indicating high. Pin code 8 indicates brake, which is being disabled, and 6 is the pin which will generate the PWM. In the loop function, there is only one statement which will generate PWM. To make sure that PWM is in between 20 and 255 to get a variation. After building the project, you can see it is successfully compiled. Now if we start the stimulation, we can see that the motor is rotating and the speed is also increasing, which will become steady at some time. I have changed the PWM value to 100, and after compiling, we can see that this motor is rotating with a different speed. This ends our first part of the assignment. For my second part of the assignment, I have opened the Node-RED software, which displays a water controller and the gas controller devices. This water controller is a slider having minimum 0 and maximum 100. It is connected to a gauge which shows the color gradient and is having minimum 0 and maximum 100. The gas controller is another slider with its maximum and minimum value, which contains a bar graph having maximum value of 40. After deploying my project, it shows that it is successfully deployed. I go on to the UI of the IP address of the node code, and we can see that the gas pressure controller displays this bar chart, and the water level controller shows a color variation from 0 to 30 green, 30 to 60 yellow, and after 60 it shows red. You can control the Node-RED software in both a laptop as well as a phone. By simply changing the controller for the gas pressure, we see that both the devices are changing simultaneously. Similar thing happens with our water level controller. It shows a beautiful pattern. So this concludes the second part of our assignment. Thank you.